Join me as I make sweet potato porridge for my baby. So I'm starting off with milk. This is actually formula and is rich in protein and iron. I'm going in with 2 cups of milk. The next thing I'll be going with is the star of the show, which is the sweet potatoes. So I'm using this red special, the orange special. I'm using it and carrot. As you can see, I peeled the skin of the carrot, just like 1 big carrot, and then sweet potato up to like 10 that I used. I'm cooking this on low heat, so yeah, I'm giving it all the time it needs to slowly cook and soak in the ingredients. After the sweet potato, I'll be going in with peanut butter, 100%. You can see no palm oil, no preservatives, nothing, just groundnut blended with the skin. This is very rich in fat, in protein. And then after the dates, I'll be going in with, I'm leaving it for some time before going in with my meat stock. So I have meat stock, or what they call bone broth. It's rich in collagen, gelatin, good for the skin and gut health, especially if you're just beginning to introduce solids to your baby so that you avoid constipation. This is blended dates. Soaked it and blended. It's very rich in fiber, also good for digestion and also to sweeten the meal. Even though yeah, sweet potato is sweet, but I'm not adding sugar or anything when I'm feeding her. This is also prunes. Prunes is very good, rich in potassium, magnesium, prevents cancer, rich in iron, prevents constipation. So yeah, dates and prunes can be alternated. Actually, I just use small of both. Then this next thing is coconut oil. Coconut oil is very good. It's rich in fat. It's rich in fat, and also it helps with digestion. I'm just using that to support the meal. As you can see, this is after a long time, it's now simmering, and then I'll go in with my mixed vegetables. This mixed vegetable contains carrots, peas, broccoli, you know, everything nice and soft and smooth for baby. Very rich meal. I'm making a balanced diet. Actually, this after a long time, you can see that the sweet potato is now falling apart, like it has really taken in the ingredients and very soft. I can practically mash it with a spoon, but I'll be blending it now with my powerful Ninja 3-in-1 What's the Investment blender. So yeah, I'm going to blend this very quickly, and then I'll put them in my food storage box, like per serving. Okay, no, these ones can serve up to like 2 or 3 times depending on how she feels like eating. But yes, it's good to store in small containers like this, so you don't have to like defrost everything every time you want to feed baby, to preserve the nutrient value of the meal. So yes, I'm packaging this. You can see how smooth it is, how creamy it is. It's also very delicious actually, and made up of natural ingredients, so I'm not worried about what my baby is having, what's going into her body. If you found this video useful, please like it, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. Thank you.